Hi there, students. A frond. Well, normally it's fronds plural, is how we normally hear it. A frond is a long, thin leaf of a plant. Let's see, fronds normally belong to ferns or to palm trees. I think also a frond of seaweed as well. It's like this long leaf with lots and lots of bits coming off the edges of it, and these are fronds. So as I was walking through the jungle, I parted the fronds to see what I could see ahead of me. Through the fronds of the jungle, I could see a tiger that was looking at me. This is particularly for ferns and for a palm tree. But let's see, I think they use this word biologically to talk about a large divided leaf. But generally, it's leaves. Yeah, the leaves of something hanging down. It's got lots and lots of bits coming off it in lots of different ways. If you look at a piece of bracken, you will see that it's got a long piece, and then the bits come off it, and there are lots and lots of little things. For example, like a mimosa. A mimosa has fronds as well. I think the physical definition of a frond is difficult, but if you use this word to talk about the leaves of something, I parted the fronds of the tree and looked through. I lay on the ground and looked at the sun through the fronds of the plants that were in front of me. Okay, so fronds. Yeah, the leaves, bracts, leaflets. Okay, and this is the idea of fronds. The fronds of the plants were a beautiful bright green color. I gathered spores from the fronds of the new of the new ferns. Okay, so frond. I parted the fronds of a coconut tree, of the fronds of a palm tree. So let's see, what about formality? A 5 in formality, I think you could use it anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, frons, literally the forehead or the brow or the front. Yeah, so frond. Yeah, a frond of seaweed. There were little fish swimming through the fronds of seaweed, the fronds of a plant. Yeah, the wispy bits of it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Frond.